Hey everyone! Did you know that over 60% of diabetics could improve their condition just by choosing the right foods? Even minor dietary adjustments can have a huge impact on blood sugar regulation and overall health. Today, I'm going to show you some diabetes-friendly foods that not only taste amazing but can also help you manage your condition better. Managing diabetes can be overwhelming, right? There's so much conflicting information out there about what you can and can't eat. Many people think they have to give up carbs or fruits completely, and meal planning can feel restrictive and complicated. But guess what? You don't have to drastically change your diet. The goal is to make healthier choices that keep your blood sugar stable. Let's dive into some of the best foods for diabetes management. First up, leafy greens like Swiss chard, kale, and spinach. These are perfect for diabetes management because they're incredibly low in calories and carbs. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals which help control blood sugar levels. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. They're super versatile. Next, whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Unlike refined grains, these have a lower glycemic index, meaning they raise blood sugar more slowly and steadily. High in fiber, they aid in digestion and blood sugar control. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal or swap white rice for brown rice. Berries are another fantastic choice. Raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries are delicious ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. They're high in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Eat them fresh, sprinkle them on your salad, or mix them into yogurt for extra flavor. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are great too. They're rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, helping to balance blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Try adding walnuts to your salad or a handful of almonds as a snack. Chia seeds in your smoothie can add a nice crunch and nutritional boost. Legumes like beans, chickpeas, and lentils are also excellent. They're high in fiber and protein, making them great for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Whether it's lentil soup, chickpea salad, or beans in your chili, legumes are a satisfying and healthy choice. And finally, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, they're great for heart health, which is crucial for diabetics. Try grilled salmon with roasted veggies or a mackerel salad for a delicious and easy diabetes-friendly meal. Now, let's hear John's inspiring story. John struggled with type 2 diabetes for years, relying on insulin and medication. Despite his efforts, his blood sugar fluctuated and he was always exhausted. After learning about how diet affects diabetes, John decided to make a change. He started eating more leafy greens, swapped refined carbs for whole grains, and snacked on nuts instead of sweets. Gradually, his blood sugar levels stabilized, and he felt more energetic than ever. John's journey is a testament to the power of diet in managing diabetes. By incorporating these diabetes-friendly foods into your meals, you can manage your blood sugar, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. It's all about making the right choices. Which diabetes-friendly foods are your favorites? I'd love to hear from you. Share your go-to meals or snacks in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more health tips. Take control of your diabetes with the right diet and stay healthy and happy.